The design of a new car model is the result of a complex work that sees the involvement of different skills, the fruit of bringing together of individuals as well as the entire groups of designers and technicians, modelers and researchers, managers and engineers. An articulated methodological procedure that begins with the first startup phases and does not even end at the final assembly on the production lines. A path in which the integration of different contributions and skills, the application of the most advanced digital simulations technologies, but also the most traditional manual manufacturing, again focus the progressive refinement of every element and detail in the figure of the designer. There is a propensity for the invention well rooted in the Fiat identity, designing projects that promote real innovation. There's a way to think of and design the automobile in such a way that it establishes continuity with the brand's history and culture and at the same time pushes itself toward the future. The 500L can be listed as an open source project, capable of catalyzing unique experiences and summing them up in a more organic whole, in an idea of compelling transport. The theme of space efficient constitutes one of the fundamental poles around which the Fiat Group design has worked. The basic principle was that of applying a logic to every feature, to every individual aspect regarding the 500L interior, a logic in the sense of ease of approach, interface, colloquialism, simplification, congruence, and even humanity. The route undertaken with the 500 project that, for Fiat, has represented an important phase of a contextualization for its brand, now finds a natural and coherent extension in a multi-purpose vehicle like the 500L. The 500L contains a multitude of technological content, from the structure of the safety cell with its anterior double posts, designed in line with the standards enforced in USA, to a new chassis that will be shared with the next generation of models. Similarly, the network connection system, navigation and infotainment utilize suitably simplified, human-friendly interfaces and a specific self-diagnosis apparatus. The Fiat Group Automobiles color and material area has developed a personalized range of options that envisage over 30 chromatic couplings for the painting of body and roof. This research has allowed to application of technologies and production processes that further increase the quality and value of the physical, tactile and visual properties of materials, individual fittings and the finishing. If the car continues to represent an irreplaceable instrument for individual and collective mobility, the new Fiat 500L projects us into the future dimension, stimulating our attention and our desire to know the developments, making it once again a compelling presence in our daily life experience.